This is the cone adapter. You want the surfaces to be flat up against these edges of the rotor or drum. This is the spring, which pushes the tapered adapter, which centers the hubless rotor or drum. This is the tapered adapter. You want the inside diameter of the rotor or drum on that surface. And this is a hubless rotor. These are examples of silencing bands. The one on the left is for a solid rotor, which is what we have here, and the other one is for a ventilated rotor. This is the inner rust ridge that needs to be removed manually, and that's the outer. This is an example of the finish after on the left and before glazed on the right. Here is the hub adapter and where it should be placed on the inside of the hubless rotor as well as on the outside. This needs to stay as flat as possible to make sure that the rotor is square on the machine. So this needs to be locked. This is for a drum. This is the speed for the drum. And that needs to make sure that we're all the way over there. Put on our cone adapter. Make sure we have the biggest one possible. It needs to sit all the way down there. Then we're going to use a tapered adapter. It has to sit on this edge. So this one's ready. Next we're going to put the spring on. Tapered adapter. The rotor. Loosen up the cutting head. Second cone adapter. This guy with the black stripe is the crushed washer. Then we have the arbor nut, which has no threads on one side, threads on the other side, and it is reverse thread. So counterclockwise is tightened. Snug it up, give it a quick yank. Silencing belt limits vibration. Vibration can cause unevenness in the cut. So we're just going to put that on there. Then we're going to set our cutting head. Both of them go counterclockwise out. to check for making sure that the bits can go all the way in on both sides. And then I'll set the cutting head in such a way that it evenly cuts both. When I'm ready, I'll snug it down. And the first cut I'm going to do is called a scratch cut, and that is zeroing out the lathe. So I'm going to turn it on, check my distances between the bit and the rotor to make sure that it's not wobbling excessively. Start turning slowly, slowing down as soon as I get close. As soon as I hear noise, I'll lock it in place. Do the same to the other side. Some people will go one step further. This is the adjusting knob. They'll zero the sleeve on it, which does nothing, and then they'll grab on it both. I don't usually do that. Then we're going to manually crank it out. Get the outer edge, which is the rust ridge. Shown in that other video. Crank it in to get the other side. After I cut it all the way in, we can start a new video. I'm going to turn the knob 2 notches, which is 4/1000ths of an inch, 0.004, clockwise on each. And this is called a rough cut. We're going to go on the fast mode. This goes forward and back. Fine cut, which is 1 notch, 2/1000ths of an inch. On a slow cut. Actually, I'm going to back this one out so we can see a difference later.
ahead, go ahead.
This is after the finish cut, and this is after the unidirectional finish.